Hey there, you're welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, we'll be looking at the Toyota Rav4 luggage capacity. But before we continue, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, like, and share this video. Toyota Rav4 is spacious, making it an excellent selection for travelers who want space for their journey. Most people want to know how many suitcases can fit in a Toyota Rav4. Toyota Rav4 luggage capacity is immense, accommodating up to 5 pieces of luggage. The Rav4 can comfortably contain 5 adult passengers. A tall passenger can luxuriously stretch out in this car due to the ample space, regardless of how long the trip may be. Toyota Rav4 can comfortably take a family of 5 or small groups embarking on a trip or vacation by road. The car has a superb fuel economy rating, averaging between 32 and 48 miles per gallon. How many suitcases can you fit in a Toyota Rav? The Toyota Rav4 luggage capacity is very spacious, with an outstanding 547 liters of space. This means that it has the capacity to occupy 5 large suitcases, with even a few extra small bags. It is so large that if more room is required, the back row of seats can be folded to increase its spacious capacity to twice the original volume to fit smaller suitcases. So, you don't need to be bothered or ask how many suitcases can fit in a Toyota Rav4 because it provides a larger space capacity above your imagination. In terms of having a large trunk, the Toyota Rav4 contends well against other cars in its category. The Toyota Rav4 is a compact sport utility vehicle, assembled with enough space but keeping it small and drivable. Compared to the 2000 Rav4, where the back row and the rear-facing car seats are a bit tight, the new 2016 Rav4 appeared more spacious in the back row. Even the front seats appear larger than other cars of the same class. Toyota Rav4 comes with different specifications and features that depend on the user. So, for your expediency, we have incorporated those that are most popular among drivers. Car class: compact SUV. Number of doors: 5. Number of seats: 5. Transmission: manual or automatic. Fuel type: gasoline or diesel. Fuel economy: gas/diesel, 32 miles per gallon / 48 miles per gallon. Engine: 2.0 liters i4, 151 176 horsepower. 2.0 liters i4 diesel, 124 150 horsepower. Luggage capacity: 547 liter. The current Toyota Rav4 capacity: Toyota Rav4 has increased in size with each latest model. The current Toyota is 30 mm wider and 205 mm longer than its antecedent. The current wheelbase size is 100 mm longer at 2,760 mm, giving striking interior space mainly in the rear. It has a flat floor, first-rate head, and legroom for all passengers. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, like, and turn on the notification bell to get notified when I post a new video. Most people would want to know how many suitcases fit in a Toyota Rav4 before purchasing or hiring it for a trip. For this present generation of Toyota Rav4, the boot has a top-hinged rear door, rather than the type that opens like a door. The Toyota Rav4 luggage capacity can take more than 4 suitcases, courtesy of the boot space that has been enlarged by 51 liters to 547 liters, creating a 100-liter storage area under the boot floor. Even though there may be no space for a spare tire, you should now know how many suitcases fit in a Toyota Rav4. The interior features many deep cup holders, while the sports seats come with built-in icon models and are comfortable. Toyota Rav4 size: the new model is about 4.6 meters long and 1.8 meters wide, which is on the large side depending on how many suitcases fit in a Toyota Rav4. It's way larger than the Nissan Qashqai, Skoda Yeti, and the Mazda CX-5. It has a boxy shape, meaning it has lots of room on the interior. Legroom, headroom and passenger space: the new Toyota Rav4 has sufficient legroom, headroom, and passenger space for everyone on board. The passengers at the back seat can stretch out grandly due to the large space. It also features ample headroom for the spaces. However, the middle seat does begin to feel overcrowded as it's much higher up. The boot size of the Toyota Rav4 has a capacity of 547 liters with the seats up. The latest model comes with lots of luggage space, and you'll be amazed at how many suitcases fit in a Toyota Rav4. It is equivalent to the Mazda CX-5, which has 503 liters but a bit lower than the Honda CR-V, which features 589-liter space. For the 2016 Toyota Rav4 Luggage Capacity, simply fold the rear seats down, and it will open up to 1,735 liters of space. However, the floor isn't totally flat as it boasts of storage net that goes across the boot. This means you can fit in longer items beneath and store things like backpacks and coats in the net for easy retrieval. It comes with an underfloor luggage compartment area as well. Toyota Rav4 warranty. The models of Rav4 variant are presented with a Safety Sense Pack, which adds a pre-collision detection system, adaptive cruise control, lane departure alert, road sign assist automatic high beams, and trailer sways control. The Euro NCAP hasn't tested the very most up-to-date model, however, the Rav4 formerly scored 5 stars in the crash tests with stability control and 7 airbags as standard. The 2015 Driver Power Customer Satisfaction Survey ranked the Toyota brand as the third most reliable manufacturer, and the Rav4 came in 29th. It took the 7th position for reliability and 15th place for build quality. This strongly points to the fact that this brand will be the most reliable, trustworthy, and dependable on the road. Toyota's dependability score in our survey is backed up by the manufacturer warranty of 5 years of 100,000 miles. It demonstrates Toyota's confidence in its cars and measures up to the standard of Nissan and Mazda's 3-year policies. Toyota Rav4 servicing. You can get fixed price servicing from £149 for the Rav4, which equates to Nissan and Mazda. Servicing for the diesel model comes after every 10,000 miles. In conclusion, Toyota Rav4 comes with remarkable room and sheer comfort for passengers and their luggage. The car is able to accommodate 5 adults with sufficient space to move legs and heads, irrespective of how tall the passengers are. Generally, the Toyota Rav4 is a cost-effective and spacious choice for travelers. The 547-liter trunk allows travelers to pack up to 5 large suitcases, and the remaining space can be used to fit loose items and small bags. The issue of how many suitcases can fit into a Toyota Rav4 shouldn't come up when using this car to embark on a family vacation or road trip. This is all we've got in today's video. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, like, and share this video. Thanks for watching. See you next time.